Hellos! How are you? I'm very happy today. Ask me why? Because whenever I have to tell a story to my loved ones, I feel very happy. Are you happy listening my stories? But where are the messages? Where are the comments? Come on, send me lots of them. Okay, promise? So, let's come back to the story session. Today's story is about Fergal. Fergal is a very nice chap, but when someone asks him to do something, he gets very angry. Do you get angry when mama says, switch off that TV? Do you get angry? Eat those green vegetables. Do you get angry? Finish your food. No wastage. Do you get angry? Come on, sit down. Complete your homework. Do you get angry? Yes, we all get angry because we all are human beings and these are our emotions. But how to keep track of our emotions? Let's learn today. So there is a magic trick in this book today when you are angry, how to control your anger. Let's see what happens to Fergal when he gets angry. Okay, I'm reading aloud. Fergal is fuming. Fuming means getting angry. So stop fuming, my little people, my little loved ones. This is Fergal. What a nice chap he is. But he gets very angry when Papa calls him, leave that game, come and have your food. But he doesn't like to stop playing. Like when his dad says, Fergal, come down for your tea. He gets so angry that all his face has frowns. When you get angry, you have those frowns here. Some people have permanent frowns because every time they're getting angry, so we have to help those people, okay, by telling them this trick. And then the father says, Fergal, you have to eat all his vegetables if he wanted pudding. Fergal felt fiery. It's not fair. I don't want to eat green vegetables. See, he says I don't want to eat green vegetables. But Fergal, I don't want to eat my greens. I'm very upset. Fergal, you're not getting your sweet dish today because you're not eating your greens today. So every day this was the scene in the house. Mom is shouting, dad is shouting, he's not eating. The whole family atmosphere is not happy. It is sad. So this happens the whole day. Now Fergal comes to school and there the teacher says, Fergal, you are the goalkeeper. Again he gets angry. No, I'm not going to keep the goal. And there was the goal. Because he didn't want to do it. We used to waste his time getting angry. So people stopped being his friend. And he says, it's not fair, I don't want to be the goalkeeper. Every time he always says, it's not fair. No friends now for Fergal. Fergal is fuming, scruffing. He went to a burger shop and is not standing in a queue. Again also he gets angry. Why are you taking time to give me burger? So people started avoiding him. People started staying away from him. When we are very angry, when we are not friendly, when we are not calm, people start leaving us. That's what happened with us. Finally all his friends had enough of Fergal fuming. So they stopped talking to him in the school. He felt lonely. He felt sad. And then he says, oh my God, what to do? Then he says, Mom, I'm not happy. Mom says, what's wrong? Mom, every time someone asks me to do something, I get angry. Mama says, I have a trick. You know what? When I get angry, I count till 10. And I inhale and exhale and my anger runs away. How? Mom, please show me. Okay. I inhale and count till 10 and I exhale and I feel relaxed and happy. Mom, is it that easy? Yes, Fergal. Try doing it next time you get angry. So Fergal decided to have this trick. But next day, Fergal was playing a game with someone. This time he didn't fight. He just counted till 10. And he hugged his friend also. Wow! He remembered his mom's trick and he didn't feel so fiery. It had worked. Wow! Now Fergal noticed lots of animals had their way of cooling down. When he met a crow. Hi crow, what do you do when you get angry? He's asking the crow. Hi fox, what do you do when you get angry? Fox says, I watch the sunset and I feel nice. Crow says, I talk to my friends and I feel happy. And cat, what do you do? Oh, I stretch myself and take a yawn. And I feel happy. Rabbits, what do you do? Oh, we run around the tree. 1 round, 2 round, 3 round. And our anger runs away. So he found there were much more interesting things to do than being angry, watching the sunset, being with friends, playing games. Oh wow, next time I'm not going to be angry because when I'm angry, I don't feel happy and all my friends go away. So he started understanding and he got the magic trick from Mama. So my dear friends, what does this story teaches us? That we understand being angry is being human, but we have our own ways to track our emotions. So next time you get angry, count till 10 or maybe sing a song, maybe dance. How did you like the story? Do leave some comments.